Let's talk about this crypto crash real quick. But before we talk about the crypto crash, let's rewind a little bit further. Guys, when we are seeing all-time highs with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Dogecoin, SafeMoon, I've had one consistent question is one consistent statement I kept hearing was, I wish I got in early. I wish I got in early. I wish I got in early. I want to lock in some gains. Guys, this is a point where you come in and buy the dip and you wait some time, give the time for the market to grow and stabilize. And when it comes back up, you won't regret for buying in. Don't panic sell. This is not financial advice. We'll use Bitcoin as a base example, but this information is generally speaking for all cryptocurrencies. So without any further ado, let's actually hop into the video. What's up, guys? Your boy Umar Khan. Today, let's talk about the crypto market right now. As we know, the crypto market has been collapsed. It's actually crashed. Guys, it sucks for all of us. My portfolio is down 65%, and it freaking hurts. I'm talking about multiple five figures, a lot of money. Oh my God, it freaking sucks. But I'll tell you guys this much. I am not as sad and worried as some people should be. When I told my family, I was actually talking to my dad the other day, telling him how much money I lost, and he's looking at me like how are you not upset right now? How are you not losing sleep? And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little upset. I mean, if you guys, I'm sure those in the comment section lost money before, but me, I like to call myself a very conservative investor. Okay, I only invest in projects. I practice what I preach. I only invest in money I'm willing to lose, and it took me time to build this large portfolio, and for to see it tank 60% absolutely sucks. But guys, I know it is going to recover. Let me open CoinMarketCap for you guys real quick. This is a rough idea of how the market's looking. This week we're down 17% on Bitcoin, 33% on Ethereum, 33% on Cardano, which is not that. It's a surprise for some, wasn't a surprise for me. 45% on Binance, which actually absolutely sucks for me personally, because I have a lot of money in Binance, and yeah, okay. Dogecoin down 35%. Again, not that surprising because it is volatile, it is new, but still performing. Honestly, it's performing very good. Because if you got him back in January, 9 cents, I'm still up on Dogecoin. So one of my investments I'm actually still up on, but a lot has been hit hard. Okay, even Pang, everything's down, right? And my point here, guys, is, for those of you watching, right, and I'm sure the ones of you who search for this, for the subscribers, shout out to you guys who are watching this, and I'm glad you guys could come here and take some non-financial advice. But guys, for those who are watching and searching this video and never seen me before, listen, I understand the pain and the struggle. I've lost some money this market around too, and I like to consider myself a conservative investor. What I will tell you guys this is, if this is your first rodeo, if you just got into investing in cryptocurrencies, this is absolutely normal, okay? I want to show you guys a chart here real quick, okay? This is back when I first got into Bitcoin, okay? It was at its all-time high, trading for around 20. I don't really like this chart, guys, but around 20,000. Okay, guys, so this is a better chart, okay? This is how Bitcoin's looking right now, okay? And this is actually when I got in over here. Back in 2017, end of 2017, 2018, where Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs, and everyone and their dog is talking about Dogecoin. Sorry, not Dogecoin. Dogs, right? They're talking about Bitcoin, and this is when I got in, okay? And if you look at, guys, if you guys got in here at the absolute top over here, we can actually put a line here. If you got actually Control Z, no, there we go. If you guys go to the absolute top over here, you could see that even if you bought at the peak of its time 2 years ago, you're still well beyond profits. It's actually right here is the line of resistance. Once it broke that resistance, it actually absolutely took off, right? And I'm believing, guys, that if Bitcoin is continued to go on this downward trend, oh my God, there's gonna be ads here. It's okay, ignore those. All right, if Bitcoin continues on this downwards trend, it's probably gonna hit this line of resistance and pop off. I doubt it will go below there. It's possible it could dip below there, but it's doubtable. Okay, but here's the thing, right? For those of my first-time investors who haven't invested in cryptocurrencies before, and you're tripping out balls. If you closed already, it's okay. One of my buddies actually just got into Bitcoin a couple of days ago, and once it dipped a little bit, boom, he panic sale. And I told him, guy, emotions of the way, put your money in, close the app, don't open it. All right. My point here is, guys, for my buddies who got in at the top over here, when it's trading for about 65, 70 grand USD, 2 years from now, this will look like this, okay? It's similar. With crypto, same thing. Look, there's an all-time high here. It crashed and took some time for it to recover. And this 2014, 15, 16, 17, 3 years, okay? And we saw back in 2017, we got 17, 18. This is end of 17. So we got 18. So 19, 20, 21. It took 2 years this time around, okay? Or technically still 3 years. Are we going to see a 3-year bear market for Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all these meme coins? I don't think the bear run will last this long this time around because there's so much new people and so much money in the marketplace. You know, a lot of the TikTokers, influencers, people who make like entertainment content are talking about cryptos and stuff. So I think crypto is going to be around for a while. What I will say is, for my guys that want some what do I do right now in this market is, do not panic sell. Don't close, just wait. If it takes 2 years to recover, it takes 2 years to recover. It takes 3 years to recover. It takes 3 years to recover. Because let's go back down to my story over here, okay? This is when I got into Bitcoin. And I was like, oh, I'm in it for the long run. I'm a young guy, right? 2017, I'm 18 years old. So I'm like, oh, I'm in it for the long haul, right? And I'm not going to lie to you guys, okay? And towards the end of 2020, when Bitcoin's at an all-time low, I didn't care. I wasn't checking the price. I told you, it's because in the long run. But around this time I was getting a new car, and I need some money to pay some credit card bills and whatever. And I closed my position, okay? So I got in really high, and I closed really low. And that sucked, because if I just held here, and I believe I had about $1,000 invested, okay? This went up roughly 3 times in price. So this $1,000 investment would have been worth $3,000, okay? Again, it's not a lot of money, but for some people, that's a lot of money. Nowadays, you can make $3,000 profit with small investments with some of these crazy coins. My point here, though, is if I didn't close here, I'd actually be, even with the dip, I'd still be in profit. So sometimes with this, guys, you guys have to wait the long haul. Again, guys, remember, Elon Musk is holding almost $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. He's a firm believer in Dogecoin. He believes crypto is the future. Oh, I didn't realize my chart was closed here. Sorry. But when I was saying I got in here, and when I say I sold off right around here. It was the beginning of 2020 when I got a new car and I need some money to pay some bills. And then my point was that even from here to here, you guys see how much, like, you guys see the big jump even when it's at an all-time low. So my point is, guys, there's no such thing as get rich quick. There was guys that made a lot of money with SafeMoon. I made money with SafeMoon. There's guys who made a lot of money with Dogecoin. There's actually someone, I'm pretty sure you guys know that about the multi-millionaire or the Dogecoin millionaire. There's going to be money made. But remember, the crypto market, guys, it is volatile. It's going to have its highs and lows. It's going to have a bear market for a little bit now. We're hoping it's going to recover. But like I said, there's big players in the game, huge influencers. Like if Elon's in there, he's obviously not going to want this tank. He's going to keep talking about Bitcoin. It might cause the price to rise up. The main concern here is there's two main things that happened. The reason for the crypto collapse, crypto crisis, right? One, there was Elon Musk saying how Bitcoin is not clean and kind of like messed it all up for Bitcoin. But two, China bans Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin obviously being the front runner of cryptocurrencies, it is hard for other cryptos to come in there, right? And then there's also the side that gas fees are up and this and that. So there's a bunch of reasons, but we're potentially going to see this bear market for the next couple of months. So what I not financial advice, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to buy these dips, buy these and buy and hold. Okay, if when people say buy the dip, it comes down, it's a good time to buy in, because hey, let's just say the bear market only lasts 3 months instead of 24, right? Let's just say that lasts 12 months, 24. You're gonna see a substantial amount of gain, because look at the growth, guys. Look at the growth of Bitcoin. Here is some abnormal growth. Okay, so normal growth, right? We see some all-time highs, pull back, all-time highs, pull back, all-time highs, pull back, all-time highs. It's generally going in an upward trend. This was abnormal. There's so much money in the marketplace that this high couldn't meet that one, but once it passed the same resistance line that I drew over there, it was able to take off. And like over here again, right, when we could see, if we draw a resistance line from here, eventually it may take a couple of years, but we will potentially see, once it hits that new resistance line, there'll be new all-time high. But if I'm just going to paint a picture for you guys here, right, this is potentially how we could see it play out. Okay, and I'm not pretending like I'm a crypto master, guys. No, I'm not. Okay, but we're probably going to see it go like this and then this, and it could just trade sideways, and then dip, and when it dips, people buy in. All right, and then eventually it'll run up, come down, run up until it meets that line of resistance, and then we could potentially see it pop off and take off to the moon. Okay, but abnormal growth would be something like GameStop, where it didn't actually, there was like, look, for history, right, from 2016, just trading sideways around like just under like $20 range. I don't know where the short squeezes, so boom, it pops up to $325, pulls back, rides up again, and then it just trading sideways. Guys, this, unfortunately, this is not sustainable, right? We're probably not going to see GameStop at $347 again, because obviously there was a whole, we're not going to cover that here, but if you guys are not familiar with the great short squeeze, I made a ton of videos on that in the past, but I'm sure you could watch a video to understand what happened here. This is not going to happen again, right? I mean, there's myths that the short squeeze is not done yet. There's a bigger short squeeze to come. But essentially what happened here is people bought in, and the guys at the top obviously closed out, and yada, yada, yada. This is not reaching back again. This is actually going to trade downwards until it gets that $20, $30, $40 mark, because just before it ran up, it was like just trading for $4. This is abnormal growth, right? If you hold GameStop forever, more chances than not, GameStop's going to go away very soon because it's a brick and mortar store. Versus crypto, it hasn't had any mass adoption just yet. And when it does get mass adoption, it's just going to continue to grow and grow over time. But again, your boy Umar is not a financial advisor. Point of this video, guys, what to do in this crypto crash is, guys, be patient. Don't invest in their emotions. Just hold. If you're going to buy anything, take into that discount, buy the dip, and just hold. There's no point in you guys closing out your trades. I'm definitely not closing out any of my trades. If you absolutely need the money, understandable. But if it's something where if you're only investing what you're willing to lose and you're putting aside, look at like a retirement fund that one day will come back to normal. And I'm not saying this is over for crypto just yet. No, I think this is just a beautiful start. There's so much new money in the marketplace. There's so much new attention around it. So many new influencers that I think crypto is not done just yet. But we will be seeing a brief pause. In my personal opinion, guys, we're going to see a bloodbath this week. We're going to probably see some rise up real soon and then pullbacks, like just how we're seeing the past couple of days. So beware for that. All right, guys, this is not financial advice, nor is this investment advice. But if you have any comments, leave it down in the comments section below. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Umar. I do make crypto content daily. So if you want to get daily crypto updates, news, videos like this, talking about new coins, make sure you subscribe to the channel to join the journey. We have just over 17,000 subscribers, so I'd appreciate it if you join that little community. Until next time, guys, it's your boy Umar. Only invest in money you're willing to lose. Peace.